The landscape of on-device artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and by 2025, developers will have powerful platforms at their fingertips. Today, we're comparing three prominent contenders: Qualcomm AI Hub, Pinecone, and ONNX. But which one might emerge as the best on-device AI platform for your needs? Let's explore their strengths and focus. First up is the Qualcomm AI Hub. Leveraging Qualcomm's dominance in mobile and embedded chipsets, the AI Hub is specifically designed to deploy and optimize AI models directly on their hardware. Its strength lies in its tight integration with Snapdragon platforms, offering tools and resources to accelerate inference and improve efficiency on device. If your primary target is deploying AI models on Qualcomm-powered devices, the AI Hub provides a compelling ecosystem with optimized libraries and hardware acceleration. Next, we have Pinecone. Now, it's important to clarify that Pinecone isn't strictly an on-device AI platform in the same vein as Qualcomm AI Hub. Pinecone is a managed, cloud-native vector database. Its core strength lies in providing fast and scalable similarity search for high-dimensional data, which is crucial for many AI applications like recommendation systems and semantic search. While Pinecone itself operates in the cloud, its capabilities can certainly enable powerful on-device AI experience by efficiently retrieving relevant information that an on-device model can then process. Think of it as a powerful off-device memory bank for your on-device AI. Finally, let's consider ONNX, the Open Neural Network Exchange. ONNX isn't a platform in the same way as Qualcomm AI Hub or Pinecone. Instead, ONNX is an open standard for representing machine learning models. Its key strength is its interoperability. Models trained in various frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn can be exported to the ONNX format, allowing them to be run across different hardware and software platforms, including many on-device inference engines. ONNX acts as a crucial bridge enabling portability and flexibility in deploying AI models across a diverse range of devices and runtimes. So which one is the best? The answer, as is often the case, depends heavily on your specific use case in 2025. Choose Qualcomm AI Hub if your primary deployment target is Qualcomm Snapdragon-powered devices and you want tight hardware integration and optimized performance. Consider Pinecone if your on-device AI applications require fast and scalable similarity search over large datasets and you're comfortable with a cloud-based vector database supporting your on-device processing. Leverage ONNX if you need maximum flexibility and portability for your AI models across various frameworks and on-device inference engines, acting as a universal format for deployment.